Yes.
We are convinced that there was negligence and that justice needs to be served. We are convinced that someone should be held accountable because someone slept on their job. Because no parent in this country or elsewhere should send their children to school only to receive them in charred form.
It is a pity that we can assume that after such an act happened, then everything just goes on normal, like nobody cares. We put it at the doorstep of the government that they have a right, they have a responsibility to protect the rights.
Under the civil claim is where we'll be seeking the damages under the Fatal Accidents Act and the Law Reform Act for the lives that have been lost. And our suit under the civil claim mirrors the one that happened in the year 2001 in the fire that happened in Changuli Secondary